What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we are installing some coilovers. My voice might sound a little raspy, but that's because I do have allergies and like a lot of mucus, and it's pretty bad. The lady was cleaning yesterday and she thought it was a good idea to just throw these water bottles on top, but we need to take that to Hector's house. I mean, I highly doubt we're gonna get this done in about 2 hours, but we'll see. So as of right now, it's pretty self-explanatory what you gotta do. First, gotta jack up the car, take the wheels off, and then I'll get back to you guys once the car is pretty much off the floor. But before we start, that's pretty much everything laid out right here. That way you guys can see it. I took all of that out. That way it's easier to access it through there. And right there, yeah, you could. There's like a little insert that you can do it through here, but I mean, it's a lot of work, and this wasn't even that hard to do, so we just decided to take everything out. Next thing right now is we're gonna look in the back and double check and make sure I don't need anything else, because let me see. I'm pretty sure all I need to do is get back there and get back there. I really don't want to take out my sub, but I mean, we'll see what's up when we get there. This fool just busts out with a freaking cart. Yeah, it's gonna be making it a lot easier so we can make sure nothing like gets misplaced. Hold on. Yeah. Dude, this would be sick if you could just roll it like this. That'd be nice. It's always best to just lift it from the subframe, guys, so you guys can get both sides at the same time. Put the jacks underneath it and then start working on the back. Everything's up on the front right now, so right now we're going to take that bolt off. Then we're going to be taking these ones off, and then we're going to make sure we detach the brake line, which I think you already did, right?
It's actually
it's that one back there somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make your guys a little easier. Get an impact wrench.
Please get an impact.
Look at that. You just saw dust come out of that bitch. Once those are all done, then we're gonna start doing the ones on top. Shouldn't I hold it from the bottom?
If you want.
It's not gonna fall, right?
I'll grab it.
Will you now?
Ones do.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure we'll be fine?
We should be. I hope so.
That's the key word, should, but I mean.
Hey, but if I start missing teeth, I know who to blame. Myself.
We do need to reuse the top hats, so we're gonna go ahead and take those off now. How? I don't know. We'll figure it out, because I mean, we're geniuses. So
we'll figure it out, bro.
We'll figure it out.
You got it.
We just remember that there's instructions with this. So I mean, why not try it?
Hey, better safe than sorry.
Seriously.
Hey, I'm coming up on your stickers though.
What? Nah.
Oh. By any chance you know how to read Japanese?
I mean, I know how to read a picture.
That's all. Then we're good. We're set.
Because we have all the parts right here. Look. So this is the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're just gonna. This is basically gonna be a picture book. This bumper right here. Open that one. Because that's how it came. I didn't take anything out. You don't think it's this? You don't think I gotta reuse that one? No. Everything's in Japanese. We're just looking at the pictures. We'll be right back. We're gonna go rent some spring compressors. All right, Hector, go ahead and explain.
That's pretty much what we're doing. So we gotta compress the spring off the strut, so when we take off the top nut, it doesn't kill us, pretty much. So that way the spring just doesn't shoot up. That way it's there under pressure. Get the gun and hit it.
It's already locked in?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright.
That's it.
Huh.
That's it, baby boy.
That was $60?
That was $60.
God damn. Well, I mean,
Use it for like maybe 5 minutes.
yeah. We'll find out. Maybe that's why it swerves to the right. My car still swerves to the right, dude. And people are telling me the alignment is done. It's the alignment, it's the alignment. I go get an alignment and they align it for me and it's not the alignment.
It's perfect?
Yeah. So it might be the lower control arms.
It could be, but we'll see what happens.
So should I get an alignment after I get the coilovers? Or should I wait until I get my lower control arms?
I'd get an alignment.
Regardless?
Yeah.
And then do it again?
And then do it again.
Okay. Alright, so where are you doing it from?
From the top nut. Pretty much just...
I need a wide angle lens, dude. That's probably going to be the next thing I buy for the camera.
I got mine. In my backpack in my car.
Wide angle lens?
A wide angle.
Bro, let me borrow it for this.
Get it.
That's a lot better.
There you go.
Hell yeah. Alright.
Let me find this.
Alright, well damn, yeah, this looks a lot better. So, what ended up happening was I have really bad top hats and it's really frustrating because before Hector was about to take off the rest of the top hat, starting to fall apart. So highly advised not to do that. We're gonna have to put everything back together on the car and we're gonna have to do this again another day. So unfortunately we are not gonna be able to install the coilovers on this. Obviously you were able to see that by the title of the video. So this sucks because I've had the coilovers for a week. From my understanding, when I got the car they were brand new top hats and I've only had the car for about 2 years. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to order new top hats and then we're gonna go at it at another go. So
Round 2, baby.
round 2. Well, yeah, that was a fail. Car's back on the floor. We're gonna go ahead and order new. I'm gonna go ahead and order new top hats, and then we're gonna come back and try this again. So I was trying to get this back in before the car meet, but obviously that's not gonna happen, and it sucks because I really wanted to get it done before then. So until then, we're just gonna roll with it how it is right now. I also have another surprise for you that you guys are probably gonna like. Hector, what are you gonna do right now?
Nothing. I'm gonna get ready for tonight.
Ora, but it's not till like 8. Dude, it's only 1.
Then I'm gonna take a nap. Because I'm tired. I'm gonna eat because there's carne asada cooking right now.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Alright. Anyways, brought it back home, and it sucks that we couldn't do the coilovers because I do need new top hats. As Hector was taking off the top hat, he started hearing something like, pretty much like breaking. And then he saw, and then he just noticed that it was gonna fall apart if we take off the top hat. The story with that is, when I first got the car within the first week, because I did buy it with CarMax, whenever you turn the steering wheel, you hear clicking. So then I took it in and they said, oh, it must be the top hats. We're gonna go ahead and replace it for you. Or the bump stops. So I take it in, it's with them for like 2 days. They call me back saying, hey, we went and checked it out. We gave you new top hats and we gave you a new bump stop. I'm like, okay. So now when I got the car, it was fine. 2 years later, which is today, I look at it and Hector goes, these are not two-year-old top hats. So I'm pretty upset, man. It sucks. And now I need to buy new top hats if I'm gonna be installing the coilovers. So I do apologize if this video was a dud. That sucks, but I mean, you live and you learn. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be roasting me in the comment section. So I mean, oh well, whatever. I'll buy them and then me and Hector will just install them again. Like, no big deal. We noticed that it only took us maybe 30 minutes, like in total, to do to take off the front too. But yeah, guys, I mean, sorry. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.